Hey, welcome once again to the dining room here at New Traditions, heart of and home of New Traditions Dulcimers, Wabash ukulele, and New Traditions wood crafts. This is number 879. This is the first build of 2022. This one I just put together, just finished it up, got the strings on, set the intonation this morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful instrument. It is made of a really nicely ribboned maple from California. It's got some really cool knots in it down here. You'll get some close-ups of that a little bit later. It's got some gorgeous ribbon on the sides, which you'll also see a little bit later in the video. And an Alaskan SITKA spruce top. Walnut headstock with gold tuners and gold strap pins as well. 25-inch VSL, New Traditions hourglass dulcimer. The first build of 2022. I'm really proud of this one. It was a great month of January. We had a really good time of just kind of taking it easy. 2021 was a huge year for us here, so it was nice to just kind of chill in the shop for a while and just work on one instrument. Actually, there's 2 guitars and 2 ukuleles also being worked on at the present, but it was nice to just have this instrument as my goal for the conclusion, or for the first build of 2022. Nitrocellulose lacquer finish. It's got a pretty nice high gloss shine to it, but I've left some grain as well, so it's not like a glass finish. It's got a nice, you can still kind of get a sense of the grain in the wood. That's what I'm trying to say. Several coats of nitrocellulose lacquer, Alaska SITKA spruce, beautiful California maple, just gorgeous wood. I'll give you some close-ups later on in this video as we conclude it. Sounds a little bit like this. I also put a 1.5 fret on this, just because the 1.5 fret adds a different, lots of options for the player. Right here is a 1.5. Wenge fingerboard overlay, hard rock maple fingerboard, Wenge overlay with abalone position dots on the fingerboard. What else? I really like it. It's a beautiful instrument. California maple, some really nice ribbon on the sides, and some really awesome knots, limb inclusions on the back and the lower bout down here, and a few up here in the upper bout as well. I like to leave those because it gives the instrument character, and after all, it was a tree at one point of its life. So we leave those. Gold hardware, the Grover STA-TITE tuners, gold strap pin, great instrument. The intonation's right on. So full 2 octave of proper intonation. This one's going to be on the website real soon. Putting it up for sale real soon. Again, nitrocellulose lacquer to a pretty high sheen. I've got a new buffing system in the shop that I love using, so I was able to buff this to a reasonably high sheen while still kind of giving the feeling of the grain, exposing the grain. Back and sides are California maple fingerboard, Wenge overlay, and that's about it. And we'll give you some close-ups as the video concludes. But my name is Dan Daniels, and this is New Traditions Homestead and New Traditions Dulcimers, Wabash ukuleles, and all sorts of fun things here, right here in Somerset, Indiana. It is a cold day today. We woke up to a -6 degrees. It's January 25th or 26th or something like that. But it's a beautiful day. Lots of snow on the ground. I hope you all have a great day as well. Number 879, the first build of 2022. It will be on the website very soon for sale. We don't have cases right now, but the cases should be here very soon. They've been ordered, and I was told this morning that they were on their way. So it will ship with a case, though cases and shipping are now optional with all of our dulcimers and our ukuleles. And you all know the reason for that. So anyway, number 879, New Traditions. Hourglass dulcimer, beautiful maple, Alaska Sitka spruce, Wenge overlay. That's about it from here. You all have a great day. Lord bless you all. See you next time. you.